Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical graduate and electronics graduate. The name of the company is Hyundai. So it's a core and dream company for most of the mechanical, electrical and electronics people to work in. So kindly don't miss this opportunity. And one more good news is the job location is in Chennai. So all those are willing to work in Chennai, kindly make the best use of it. This is the official website of the company Hyundai. So I will be providing the link in the description. So once you click on it, you will be directed to this page. So this job is posted in naukri.com and job title is maintenance engineer and company name is Hyundai Motors. So they require minimum 3 to 8 years of experience and you will be getting a salary of 3.5 lakh per annum to 8 lakh per annum and job location is in Chennai. So use any of the two options. Either you can register all your details and apply, or else if you already having the login details, use the login details and apply for this job. So let us see the job description. So they require technical skill and experience in Allen Bradley PLC, VFD, pneumatic and hydraulic system and conveyors, and they require technical skills and experience in robots, PLC, pump, process technology, etc. So it's a maintenance engineer, automobile department, and it's a full-time job. And education is those who are having diploma in mechanical, electrical and electronics can apply. So regarding the company, they clearly given here, you can see a glance of it and also you can visit the website to see the details of the company. So those who are willing to apply and work in Hyundai, kindly make a note of the address. So it's in Sri Perambuttur, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. So use any of the two options and apply for this job and don't miss this opportunity. If you like this video, means kindly share the video to mechanical, electrical and electronics people. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support us by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Kindly stay tuned with our channel Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.